Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth. Today I'll be showing you as to how to create a file and attach the already created receipt in that particular file. Let's open eOffice. Put in your details, your email ID, your computer password. Click on login, file management system. In files, click on create new. This is how the page looks. Select the corresponding drop down items, SSNP. Say, for example, I'm creating a file for an AMA approval. Description, I'll write AMA for long lead items of heap unit. Rest of the things are not mandatory, so we'll move forward with creating the file. Click on continue working. This will ask a file number will be generated. Do you wish to proceed? Okay. This is how the file looks like. The left hand side is the approval side of the file, and the right hand side would be the correspondences and annexures. So for attaching the receipt, we'll click on TOC, that is table of contents. Click on attach this particular receipt. This is not related to this particular file, but just for the sake of showing you, I'm attaching this. Click on attach. This is attached. You can also have a look by clicking on the receipt. You can have a look at the letter also, this DP letter that we have created in the earlier video. Thank you.